So it's a hot day today. It's time to get the sides rolled up for more ventilation in the greenhouse. We rolled up one a little ways, and this side here we're going to roll up halfway. So let's get to that. So as you can see, we rolled up the sides, and today is a very hot day. The hottest it got in the greenhouse was 44. Right now it's showing 39.1. What I got growing in here, I got a lot of tomato plants. I tried potatoes, and these are just from peelings that had buds on them, not the whole potato. This is zucchini plants. These are green string beans. These are yellow string beans. This is a mixed salad blend. These are beet tops. This is spinach. This is broccoli. These are carrots. And these are heads of lettuce. And I got some cucumbers back here coming along. And I got some sweet potatoes. They're coming along nicely. I had a strawberry plant that only produced one strawberry this year. So I managed to bring it in, and I divided it into 3 plants, and they seem to be coming back. So I'm excited about that. I also got some mixture of Swiss chard. I got some Chinese cabbage growing here. And I got some pak chow growing here. And cucumbers in the back with sweet potatoes over there. So today I spot the very first formed little tomatoes on my plant in the greenhouse. This is so satisfying to see. So thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.